Did you know that aside from renouncing your U.S. citizenship, the only way that you could actually lose your U.S. citizenship is by way of treason, basically betraying the United States during a time of war? Comment below. Let us know what you think about that. So, Mr. Pedro Ramos tells us, one night a police officer stopped me. I did blow in the pass device test, the breathalyzer, as a lot of people call it, and I passed it. I didn't do any of the other field sobriety tests, and I was arrested anyway. Why? Well, the reason is because, look, first of all, being arrested doesn't mean that you're guilty of the DUI. Doesn't mean that. It just means that the police officer believes that he had probable cause in order to arrest you. Now, keep in mind that the pass device or breathalyzer is only going to show your alcohol level. But DUI isn't necessarily alcohol. It's not just exclusively alcohol. It could be drugs. It could be medicine. Stuff. It could be over-the-counter medication. It could be several things. Now, when they arrest you and they take you into the station, because you blew a 0 into the pass device, you're going to mandatorily have to do blood. Do not refuse the blood test after you've been arrested. See, before you're arrested, you have the right to refuse all sorts of field sobriety tests and chemical tests before your arrest, provided that you're not on probation for any previous DUIs. But once you're arrested, you no longer have the right to refuse. If you refuse, your license will automatically be suspended for a year, and it's going to go down as a refusal for the DA, so you're automatically going to get that DUI because you don't have the right to withhold evidence from the police. So you have to submit to that. Now, once they check out your blood and they see that it's perfectly fine, well, the DA will just not file charges, or if they do file charges, the matter will get dismissed down the line since they don't have any evidence that you were actually under the influence of alcohol or any other controlled substance. But remember, the arrest has nothing to do with guilt. It's simply probable cause. The only way you're found guilty is if you plead guilty or if you're found guilty by way of a jury at a jury trial or a judge at a court trial. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.